There's a good reason why you're probably seeing this marry me chicken recipe everywhere. It went super viral because it's absolutely delicious, and this is my take on doing a version for the slow cooker. If you like rich, creamy chicken sauces, then this is going to be right up your street. It's super easy to do. All you're going to do is get your slow cooker and bung in your chicken stock, some garlic powder and optional chili flakes. Leave these out if you don't want any heat at all. Add in some mixed herbs, also known as Italian seasoning in the US, some salt and some sun-dried tomatoes. Mix your corn flour with a little bit of water. This just stops it clumping up, and then add in your low-fat cream cheese and plenty of grinds of black pepper. I'm using chicken breast for this. I think it works really well in this recipe. You could use chicken thighs if you want, totally up to you. But then we're just going to cook these on low for about 3 to 4 hours. Keep checking the temperature with a food thermometer until it gets to 74 degrees. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Once they're cooked and the sauce is thickened up, you can stir through some basil, and then all you want to do is just plate it up. I think this goes really well with pasta, also works with rice, potatoes, or you could have a lower carb option, just have the chicken on its own with vegetables. Garnish with some more pepper and some basil and get stuck in. As always, if you'd like this recipe along with a load of other high protein recipes, in particular slow cooker ones, you can get them in my recipes app, and there's a link to download it in the description. See ya!